In this video, you will learn how to use AI models locally without any internet connection, and you will learn how to use LM Studio, download it, and configure it to your preferences. There's no coding involved in this video, but in the later video, we will talk about how to implement an AI chatbot, your local AI chatbot using LM Studio and Next.js. So in order to install LM Studio, you have to navigate to the site LM Studio. There's a download button for currently I'm on Mac M2 Pro, so this is my recommended option, so I will start downloading. And once the download has been done, I can install it and use it in my Mac. So this is the first thing that you see when you launch LM Studio. So what you're gonna do is we have to download a model just to start working with. This is sort of a client or a middleware that LM Studio is a software that use models to answer. What we're gonna do is hold command and press comma to open up settings and navigate here, model search. In here, I want to download a model. Coin3 is good, but I want to download a simple lightweight model like Google Gemma Q for quantized. Q stands for quantized. Quantized version of the model is reduced in size drastically, and it's more optimized for our use. Quantized, and I want to search GGUF, or I can just click on this checkbox for GGUF. Okay, the results were not showing up because my internet connection, but never mind that. Now that it's working, I'm looking for a lightweight model, Google Gemma or Gemma 3. 27 billion is a lot. You see here it's 18 gigabytes. No, I don't want that. I want a lightweight version. This is 10 gigabytes. This is too much also. These models are hosted inside a website called Hugging Face. If you want to search through this, you can also use this website. And I want to quantized version of 1 billion and instructive with this. So this model size is, oh, I forgot to put GGUF, Gemma 1 billion quantized and GGUF. So the file here is 1 gigabyte. Yeah, that's perfect for us. Sign up or log in.
2,000 years later.
So now that I have logged in, I have to ask for access to this model. Don't worry, it will take seconds, since when you acknowledge that you will use this model right and use it for legal purposes and stuff. But we already have access to use this model. We come here, files and versions, and click on download. When we download this model, you can open up your terminal. Open up your terminal, navigate to downloads where you have downloaded. You have to use LMS import Gemma 3 and the file name that you just downloaded. And you hit enter and it will get success message. Right now, I didn't download it locally, and instead I used the direct download inside LM Studio. So that's why I got an error, and this is a folder obviously I'm using. Okay, when you import your model using terminal or you download it directly from the app, you get access to these. You will see a list here. Right now I have two models imported in my LM Studio. I'm going to use this one, Gemma 3 4 billion instruct model. It takes a little while to load your model, and then you can start chatting. Hello there. As you can see, the model would respond even if it's local. Let me turn off my Wi-Fi. Say hello to the YouTube users. It wouldn't require any internet connection, and it's more safe and secure if you need models to do some tasks that require privacy. So, to wrap up this video, I'm just gonna add one more thing. We have a system prompt in here. System prompts, it's a thing that you tell models how to behave and how to respond. For example, respond only in rhymes. We get back here, say hello to the YouTube users. I want to prompt the same as before, and I want you to see the different results. A shout out rings, a joyful plea to every viewer YouTube see. Hello to you, both near and far, shining bright a digital star. Well, this has been a sort of installation and quick overview of LM Studio and running your models locally. I hope I didn't bore you. In the next couple of videos, we're going to use LM Studio advanced features and talk a bit about more, and running it on a server so that we can use this models inside our Next.js app. No coding required for this video, but in the next couple of videos we're going to do some coding. So yeah, that's a wrap. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.